Hello friends, welcome to Examity and Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. In today's video, we won't be discussing about any notes, but the previous year question papers of Amity. In this video, I have shared question papers for plant biotechnology. Every subject has a different course code, so I have mentioned each course code along with their subject name. So do find all plant related question papers in this video. Let's start with Fundamental of Plant Biotechnology. The paper is divided into 3 sections. Section A, that is 6 markers. There are 6 questions, and out of which you're supposed to attempt any 5 questions. Then comes section B, in which 3 questions are there and you're supposed to attempt any 2 questions, 10 marks each, and section C, that is 20 marks. Next paper is of plant biotechnology. Whenever you refer the previous year question papers, do remember that you check the course code thoroughly. The course code means that you have the same syllabus. Whenever you are done with your entire syllabus, just go through these question papers so that you know all your concepts are clear. And from my experience, many times questions are being repeated, so do go through these question papers. Next question paper is of advanced biotechnology. There are various programs in Amity for biotechnology like masters, bachelors, and medical biotechnology and all. So we have the same syllabus, just match your course code and then go through these papers. I'll be mentioning about each question paper and their course code in the description box as well, so that you can have a look whether your course code is present in the video or not. Next question paper is of plant secondary metabolite technology. This most probably you guys will be studying in your masters. Always remember to write your answer in points and draw as many diagrams to explain your answer in Amity. That helps you get more marks. Next paper is for biotechnology for horticultural crops. Do go through these papers before going for your exams. They help you a lot. I have used these question papers and kept them for you guys so that you can also take help from them. Do use and let me know if you want to get any other notes or question paper. Please like, share and subscribe, and tell your friends also to go through these videos as they will help them in cracking Amity exams. Thank you.